Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Once again, I welcome you all to the online class of Divine Public School. My name is Preeti Shrivastava. I am class teacher of UKG. Today I will teach you English. This is your English book. And the name of your English book is Work on Language. Children, you all are knowing that there are 5 vowels in English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. In previous video, you learned sound of vowel A and sound of vowel E. First, we will know how we will pronounce E. Children, we will pronounce E like A, like A, like E, like E-A. When E comes in the middle of two consonants, we will pronounce E like A. Today, we will read page number 10 and here is long sound of vowel E. And here is written, read aloud the long sound of vowel E. And here we will pronounce E like E. Okay? Now, B-E-A-C-H. B means B. E-A we will pronounce like E. C-H means Ch. B-E-A-C-H. Beach. E-A-G-L-E. E-A-E. Giga. Ella. And this E is silent here. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. Okay? C-H-E-E-S-E, z. C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. E-A-T, eat. Beach, eagle, cheese, eat. Now, some word families with long sound of vowel E. Now, all of you put a pencil here. Double E sound. B double E. B means B, or how we will pronounce double E like E. Okay, like E. So, B double E, B. S double E, C. S means S. T R double E, T means ta, R means ra. T R double E, tree. F R double E, F means F, R means ra, double E E. F R double E, free. K N double E means knee. Children, K N double E. Here K is silent. K means ka, N means na, double E means E. We will not speak knee. We will say knee. Here K is silent. So this is knee. Okay. Now B, C, tree, free, knee. Now E-A sound. All of you put your pencil under the letter S-E-A-T. S means sir. E-A how you will pronounce? Like E. T, ta. S-E-A-T, seat. M-E-A-T, meat. M means ma and T means ta. M-E-A-T, meat. H-E-A-T, heat. H means her and T means ta. H-E-A-T, heat. B-E-A-T, beat. B means ba, T means ta, E-A-E. B-E-A-T, beat. T-R-E-A-T, treat. T means ta, R means ra, E-A-E, tita. T-R-E-A-T, treat. Seat, meat, heat, beat, treat. Now again E-A sound. T-E-A-M, team. T means ta, E-A-E, emma, team. B-E-A-M, beam. B-ba, E-A-E, emma, B-E-A-M, beam. R-E-A-M, ream. R-E-A-E-M, R-E-A-M, ream. C-R-E-A-M, cream. C-R-E-A-E-M, C-R-E-A-M, cream. D-R-E-A-M, dream. D-R-E-A-E-M, D-R-E-A-M, dream. Team, beam, ream, cream, dream. Now double E sound. J-E-E-P, jeep. J means ja. Double E, how you will pronounce? Like E, peeper. J-E-E-P, jeep. D-E-E-P, deep. D-da. D-E-E-P, deep. P-E-E-P, peep. W-E-E-P, weep. W means wa. W-E-E-P, weep. S-W-E-E-P, sweep. S means sa. Okay. S-W-E-E-P, sweep. Jeep, deep, peep, weep, sweep. Now here is E sound. H-E, he. He is used only for boys. S-H-E, she. She is used only for girls. M-E, me. W-E-V, B-E-B. He, she, me, we, be. Now H means her. S-H means sh, talavesha. M means ma. W means wa. B means ba. H-E, he. S-H-E, she. M-E, me. W-E-V, B-E-B. Okay children, all of you read this page with correct pronunciation in front of your parent. Now here is written, let's read and understand. Okay. A, B-E-E-B, a bee. A bee, O-N on, T-H-E the, C-H-E-E-S-E cheese. A bee on the cheese. A, T-E-A-M, team. A team, O-N on, T-H-E the, B-E-A-C-H, beach. A team on the beach. A-N-N, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. An eagle. An eagle, O-N on, T-H-E the, T-R-E-E, tree. An eagle on the tree. T-H-E the, S-E-A-T, seat. The seat. The seat, O-F of a, J-E-E-P, jeep. The seat of a jeep. Okay children, all of you read this page very nicely in front of your parent with correct pronunciation. Now all of you open page number 11. Okay. And here is written, fill in the blanks with the letter E and say the words aloud. That means you have to fill E in these blank spaces. And after filling E, you will read the word loudly. Okay, what is this children? This is a wheel. Now 2 blank spaces are here. That's why here you will write E 2 times. W-H-E-E-L, wheel. Now only 1 dash is here. So only 1 E you will fill here. D-E-N, den. B-E-N-C-H, bench. L-E-G, leg. J-E-T, jet. S-H-E-D, shed. B-E-L-L, bell. S-E-A-T, seat. Again 2 blank spaces are here. So E, E, B-E-E-B. Now join the dots to connect the rhyming words given in the 2 columns. 2 columns are here. This is one column and this is another column. you have to find out rhyming word from this column to this column. Okay, here is written FELL, fell. You have to find out similar word from this column. Fell. Now search here. Dream, meet, pet, hell, she. Fell, hell. Pick up your scale, and this is one circle and this is another circle. Put your scale like this on the circles and draw a line like this. Fell, hell. WET, wet. Find out the similar word. Dream, meet, pet, hell, she. Wet, pet. Match it like this. Now CREAM, cream. DREAM, dream. Match like this. Okay. He, dream, meet, pet, hell, she. He, she. Okay. Put a scale like this and match. He, she. Heat, meet. Match like this. Okay. Fell, hell. Wet, pet. Cream, dream. He, she. Heat, meet. All of you do this page with sharpen pencil in front of your parent. Okay.